bass heads, what's up? Alright, so I'm about to do some testing and tuning with the new Crescendo 3500s and see how she does. We'll start her off low and work our way up from there. Yeah, I think it's getting down. Definitely getting down. Yeah, but that was with the door wide open. Yeah, I'm loving it so far, guys. Alright, guys, so my son wanted to get in here. He's got his earplugs in. You show him. That way, anybody wants to hate, they can hate all they want. Let's see how these doors flex with lows. I think we're getting some flex. You think so? Yeah, I think so. That was with the truck off. That was just straight battery bank. Hell, it's definitely freaking much louder than it was before. Alright guys, so there'll definitely be a lot more videos to come. Later.
Can you feel the bass? Team Cloud Audio for the love of bass.